Hi guys, today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your AnkiDroid app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. When just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then just click here on settings, then it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on general here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to next step here. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, come here to press back, choice to go back, exit here, just click in this sign or this color. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean press back, choice to go back, disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.